Good morning, everybody. It is June 4th. It's Thursday. And here's what our day looks like for today. After you watch the video and complete the form, turn in any late work that you have, complete the poll. Don't forget about today's discussion where you'll answer the prompt and then reply to 2 students. Your assignment for today is to complete the summative that you started on Tuesday and then hand that in. So for the summative, let me just go over this again so that you're making sure that you're meeting all expectations, since this is our last summative, and this should be your best work of the year. So you're answering this in a multi-paragraph response, meaning more than one paragraph. Your first paragraph is going to be the background information, and in the box down here, I call that the introductory paragraph. That's just an expository paragraph explaining the conditions in the Roman Empire, and then going through each of these 6 causes, just briefly saying what they are and what was going on in Rome at that time. The remaining paragraphs, the ones that'll go in this analysis paragraph section, are going to be more of those CER paragraphs where you're answering this part of the prompt. So to describe these, that's your introductory paragraph, and then your CER paragraphs are where you're going to pick the 3 most important causes listed up here. So you would need your claim, evidence, and reasoning for each of the 3 that you pick as the most important. All right, so that's where you describe and analyze. On Tuesday, you should have written and handed in 1 to 2 paragraphs, and then the rest you'll be writing today. You can use the source documents that you had been working with last week in your textbook, but no other online sources. And remember, because this is a summative, this is an independent assignment. Make sure when you're writing each of your analysis paragraphs that you have a strong claim, that you have sufficient evidence from the documents, and that most of that is going to be in your own words, but you do want to have 1 cited quotation. And that's 1 cited quotation total. If you want to have more than that, that's fine, but you only are required to have 1 total. Don't forget your reasoning, connecting why you picked the evidence that you did to the claim that you made, and then finally a strong conclusion statement. So again, this introductory paragraph is just kind of explaining what's going on, introducing your reader to what you're going to be talking about, and then the analysis paragraphs would be your CER paragraphs with claim, evidence, and reasoning. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, your summative is due today. Keep in mind that we do not have much school time left, so late work really can't happen because we don't have time for you to make it up. All right, so make sure that you stay on track today. Use your time wisely. Hand in your summative. Everything else that you need will be in the virtual classroom if you have a chance. Send me a picture to get put into tomorrow's virtual classroom. All right, have a great day. Email me if you have questions.